Hello amazing people, welcome back friends. What this segment shows, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 7 divided by 7 over 17 then times 17. First we do this multiplication. 7 over 17 times 17. We can easily cancel this 17 and this 17. So here we have this 7 only, and 7 divided by 7 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 7 divided by 7 over 17. To do this division, write down the 7, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 17 over 7. And here again we have times 17. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 7 and this 7, which gives 17. And here again we have times 17. So here we have this 17 times 17, which equals 289. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe if you enjoy it.